Hello, I'm Steve Cantor with Otherfoods Kitchen. Appreciate you watching this video. Our facility is a Department of Agriculture certified commercial kitchen where members turn their food dreams into a business. We've got convection ovens, stove tops, fryers, mixers, automatic dishwasher, all kinds of pots and pans and utensils and small appliances, refrigerators, freezers, walk-in cooler, uh, all kinds of carts and speed racks, dry storage. We can help with packaging, marketing, sales. Our family of members work together in all kinds of ways. Your passion is important, but it takes a team to make it all happen. Come visit us. Love to work with you, help your business grow. Hope to see you soon. Thanks and have a wonderful day.